Let's talk about sharing your lead intake form on social media in Flash Quotes. If I go to my forms and my lead intake form, which we've already set and configured in prior videos, I can see my form. I'm happy with how it looks. I can click on the Share tab, and that Share tab will present my share link. Now, if you go through our onboarding checklist, we make this share link really, really obvious and available on the homepage, but you can always get to it here. From here, you can see the URL, you can copy it, and then you could paste that on any of your social media bios or on a link tree. This allows your customers to see and fill out the lead intake form for your business so you can get quotes even before you have a website or have it embedded. You can click on View Live Form, and that will load up that page. You can see exactly what it looks like. It would have your logo, and it'll have your exact lead intake form that somebody can come through and fill out with ease so that you can get a quote, get quotes flowing faster, and get booked as soon as possible. And that's the value of embedding your lead intake form on social media profiles in Flash Quotes.